Did you hear that keyboard clicking sound? That's almost therapeutic. And honestly, that's the first thing that got my attention. I've heard a lot about mechanical keyboards for a while, but I did not really pay attention to it because I really thought it's mainly for gamers. But then RedThunder reached out and sent me this K95 wireless mechanical keyboard. And after hearing the difference from this to this, I have to say, I'm really hooked.
Although this was sent to me by RedThunder, all experience and opinions that you will hear from this review are my own. And in the box, you will find the USB-A to USB-C cable, which is not only charges the keyboard but also lets you connect it directly to your computer to use wired connection mode. And right here is the switch and the keycap puller. And make sure you don't lose this one because you will need it to replace the switches, and they included 4 spares. And I'll show you how to use it in a moment. A small black envelope that contains 4 RedThunder stickers, and lastly the multi-language user manual that contains product information, usage support, and warranty information. And of course the RedThunder K95 wireless mechanical keyboard. And just look at how RedThunder packages their keyboards. You can even keep this transparent cover to protect your keyboard from dust in case you're going away for vacation. Well, at least that's what I'm planning to do. And when it comes to the build quality, this keyboard is far from being flimsy. Although the whole exterior is made of plastic, it doesn't feel cheap and it's a lot more premium than I expected. And just listening to these keys, I can definitely see why people love mechanical keyboards. And right at the top right, you will find the TFT display and the knob for volume and some of the displays. Flipping it to the back, you will find the USB-C port for charging and wired connectivity, the connection mode switch for Bluetooth connection, for wired connection mode, and for use of 2.4 GHz wireless using the USB dongle. To switch between Windows and Mac computer, and a handy storage slot for the USB dongle. Now flipping the keyboard over to the bottom, you'll find 2 sets of adjustable feet, giving you multiple typing angles to choose from depending on what's most comfortable for you. And of course, we can't talk about mechanical keyboard without talking about the RGB lighting. The K95 features vibrant RGB lighting on the side and on the back of the keys that can completely transform the look of your setup. It has 16 different lighting effects and 1 non-backlighting mode that can be customized directly from the keyboard or dive into the companion software for even more customization. So whether you prefer a clean, professional look with a static color or more dynamic lighting effects, there are plenty of customization options to choose from. Powering the K95 is a massive 8,000 mAh rechargeable battery, which is impressive for a keyboard in this price range. And according to RedThunder, you can continuously use this keyboard for 48 hours with the RGB light on, and up to 266 hours with the RGB lights off. And when it's time to charge, just plug in the included USB-C cable and flip the switch to wired mode, then continue using the keyboard without any interruptions. The small TFT screen displays if the battery is charging or if it's fully charged. Besides the battery indicator, it also displays the current date and the current time, which you can manually set or synchronize from your computer. Also displays your current OS settings, whether you're using Windows or Mac. Next to it is an indicator if you're using wired connection. And next is a wireless connection whether you're using the USB dongle or if you're using the Bluetooth connection. Speaking of Bluetooth, the K95 can be paired with up to 3 devices, making it easy to switch between your Mac computer, your Windows computer, and your tablet or smartphone without having to go through the pairing process every time. And the rest of the icons is for your numlock key, your Windows key, and for your caps lock key. And to the right of the TFT display is the multifunction knob. And one use of this knob is to manually set the date and time. And to do that, just simply press and hold the knob for 5 seconds to enter the settings menu. From there, you can press the knob to move through each settings, and when you're done, press and hold it again for 5 seconds to save your changes. Another mode of this knob is to control your system volume and to adjust the RGB settings directly from the keyboard. And one really cool feature of the TFT display of this keyboard is that you're not limited to the default screen layout. Using the companion software, you can upload your GIF file and use them as the display background, giving the keyboard a more personalized look. Whether it's your favorite animation, logo, or just something fun, it's a great way to make the keyboard feel uniquely yours. Remember I mentioned the companion software earlier? I'm referring to the RedThunder K95 software, which you can download for free. This application is currently available for Windows only, and I'm not going to go through every feature because it's very straightforward and user-friendly. Using the software, you can customize RGB lighting effects, remap keys, create macros, adjust keyboard settings, and even upload your own images or animated GIF to the TFT display. Please note that this software is not required for the keyboard to work. The K95 is completely plug and play and works with Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and even gaming consoles. In fact, right out of the box, you can access many of the keyboard's features and settings using the built-in key combinations listed in the user manual. So you don't necessarily need the software unless you want the extra customization options. The K95 also supports hot-swappable keys without the need of soldering or shutting down your computer. Using the switch and keycap puller, simply remove the keycap, pull out the switch, and install the new one. It's an impressive way to perform maintenance when replacing a worn-out switch without the need of soldering or shutting down your computer. But I would highly suggest to put your computer on lock mode when replacing the switches.
So I've been using the RedThunder K95 wireless mechanical keyboard for over a week, and I can honestly say it really changed my perspective when it comes to mechanical keyboard. It even convinced me to make the switch. It's been a fun keyboard to use, and because of its responsive performance, reliable, and multiple connectivity options, it's become a keyboard that I really look forward to use. So if you want to check out the RedThunder K95 wireless mechanical keyboard, or even get one for yourself, I left the link in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.